In this video, I'm going to share 4 kind of unorthodox ways to help you promote your music in 2024 using some of the tools that come with DistroKid. If you're not already releasing music with DistroKid, you can save yourself some cash by signing up with my exclusive discount link. You'll find that down below the like button. Say that you've just released a brand new track and you want to share it with all your fans and your friends, etc., but you don't know which streaming platform link to share. Chances are your fans use a variety of different streaming platforms. Some will use Spotify, some will use Apple Music, some will use YouTube Music, etc. So sharing one link that everybody will be able to access is going to be pretty much impossible. The solution? DistroKid's Hyperfollow feature. It lets you share one link that, when opened, lets the clicker select which streaming platform to listen to the shared track on from a list set by you. You can set which streaming platforms show up in your Hyperfollow list and can add links to your social sites, websites, or even embed YouTube videos if you want. This is without doubt the best way to share links to your work and the best way to make sure that everyone, regardless of what streaming platform they subscribe to, will be able to hear your brand new song in full. DistroKid have a really popular Spotify playlist that you can only get your music onto if you yourself spin the Wheel of Playlist. Head to the Get Heard Now section of DistroKid's website and click on Wheel of Playlist. From here, it's as simple as selecting a track you'd like to submit to the playlist and spinning the wheel. And that's it. Where the wheel lands determines where your song will be placed in DistroKid's playlist. It's a really fun and kind of unreliable way to get your music in front of more eyeballs and ear holes than you might have otherwise been able to. Slaps is a listening and sharing platform from the folks at DistroKid that essentially emulates SoundCloud, or rather SoundCloud before it went down the toilet a wee bit. DistroKid have really nailed the fundamentals of how a site like this should work. Users are encouraged to cultivate a balanced comment-to-track ratio, with the tantalising prospect of having your tracks featured on Slaps' homepage if your CTR is high enough. This results in most tracks getting a ton of comments and feedback. Groups are a great way to hear the genre of music you're into and interact and mingle with other like-minded creators. Slaps has seen exponential growth since launch and seems to be growing by the day, so definitely go and check it out. Have you ever wished that your music could be featured in TV shows like Friends or The Mandalorian even? Well, now you can. Kind of. The way this works is you head to the Promote Yourself menu on the DistroKid homepage, then click on Meme Video Generator. Then in the menu on the right, select the clip you want to add your music to. Hit Generate Video, and once it's done processing, you'll have a really stupid and also really shareable meme video featuring your music.
Marcel, where are you going with that disc? You are not putting that on again. Marcel, okay, if you press that button, you are in very, very big trouble.
Right, that's 4 ways to make your music go viral with DistroKid. If you don't use DistroKid to release your music already, get involved via my exclusive link that's down in the description and save yourself 7% on any yearly membership. For as little as $22 per year, with my discount you can release as many songs, EPs and albums as you want. Again, you'll find that link down below the like button. For a step-by-step guide of how you can release your music on DistroKid, watch this next.